How to make Infinity Craft in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. Earth plus wind, we have dust. Plus fire, we have ash. Plus fire, we have phoenix. Water plus dust, we have mud. Mud plus phoenix, we have bird. Jungle plus bird. Wait a second. If you don't know how to craft it, you have here earth plus water equal plant, earth plus plant equal tree, tree plus tree equal forest, and forest plus forest equal jungle. So let's back to the video. Bird plus jungle, we have parrot. Right now, double earth, we have mountain, mirror plus mountain, we have echo, echo plus parrot, we have repeat, repeat plus repeat, we have loop, loop plus repeat, wait a second, we have infinite. Right now we will need to create Minecraft. Let's put it aside. Fire plus water, we have steam. Fire plus steam, we have engine. Earth plus fire, we have lava. Lava plus water, we have stone. Stone plus wind, we have sand. Engine plus sand, we have sandbox. Earth plus wind, we have dust. Dust plus earth, we have planet. Planet plus sandbox, we have Minecraft. And right now we just need to combine them. And that's it, guys. Hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.